Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will explain how to do change detections in ArcGIS. First you open the ArcGIS, then go to the Add Data options. In Add Data options we have to select the satellite images which are representing the different days. It means here I am going to do the vegetation loss in wildfire in Bandipura forest area. So for that purpose I have downloaded two satellite images which are representing the different period. Means actually that wildfire happened in Bandipura forest area in month of February 2019. So we need to download the two satellite images in different period. For I have downloaded one from month of January and another from month of February. It means before the event of wildfire and after the event of wildfire. So first I will add before the event of satellite images. I think here you see the folder is Bandipura January 24th 2019. Okay, in this satellite images you have different band from 1 to 11, but we need only 1 to 7 band for our analysis. So I will select band from 1 to 7. Once you select the bands from 1 to 7, then click on add option. Okay, now the satellite images it has selected of 7 bands. Okay, now I will add my study area because it is need to help to understand the area of Bandipura forest. Okay, I will add the shapefile as study area. Chamarajanagar district shapefile. Okay, here you can see the Chamarajanagar district. We just I will allow that. Here you can see the Chamarajanagar district. Okay, now the next step is we have to create the composite band for our analysis. For that purpose, you go to the Arc toolbox. Okay, in the arc toolbox, data management tools. In data management tools, we have to select the raster. Okay, in raster processing. In raster processing, the second option is composite band. Okay, you click on that, the small file will open. Here in the input raster, you have to select all the 7 bands. Once you select all the 7 bands as input raster, then second one, the output raster. In the output, you have to choose your folder to save that output raster file. Okay, here I have saved in this folder. I will give the name as composite band 1 dot tiff. Okay, next click on the save. Okay, now you click on the OK option. The composite band creation, it will start. Okay, now the composite band created. Okay, it has taken a few minutes for composite. You can see the images also. Okay, now just I will remove the previous satellite images for our further process. Okay, now we have to change our composite band into other bands because we need to know the changes to identify the vegetations areas. So for that purpose, I will select the first band, red band, and change into 7, and for green 6, and for blue 4. Now it is not so clear, so I will do the other band combinations. For red, I will go for with 6, then for green 5, and for blue 4. Okay, now I think you can see the vegetations here. Okay, this is one step we have completed, and another is in the same way we have to convert the satellite images into composite band of after the event of wildfire. Okay, so Again we add to that satellite images. I think here you see another satellite images. Bandipura, February 25th, 2019. I will select this one. In the same way, we select band, sorry, you don't double click on that, you just single click to select that. Seven and click on add. Okay, now that is selected. Okay, again we go to the composite band. In the same way, data management tool and raster processing, and second one composite band. You click on that, then you select all the 7 band. Next, in output raster, we select the our folder where we want to save that. Just I will give name as composite band 2 dot diff. Okay, next click on OK options. Okay, now another composite band creation process will start. Okay, another composite band created. So here you can see the composite band 2. So I will remove these previous satellite images for further process. Okay, now we have composite band 1, which is representing before the event of wildfire, and another composite band 2, which is representing after the event of wildfire. So I will change the composite band is red band 6, for green band 5, and for blue band 4. In the same way, I have changed it from composite, it means the 3 basic band to other bands. I think here you can see the difference. This is actually first loss areas by the wildfire. Okay, we can see that from for know the forest loss by the wildfire, we just go to the windows, then select the image analysis. Okay, in image analysis, you have to select one of the composite band, and here the swipe layer option, you select swipe layer option. Okay, you swipe from the top. Here we select the minimum and maximum. If something is error, just I will see. Now we can see the difference between before the event of wildfire and after the event of wildfire in terms of vegetation loss. So top of the images it representing after the event of wildfire, and bottom of the or background of the images it representing before the wildfire event. So here you see, just swipe from the top, then you can see the difference. Here in particularly in these areas, this dark, slightly dark shaded area, it representing the vegetation or forest loss by the wildfire event. Okay, just we can select our study area to confirm that. See the Chamarajanagar district. You see here. Okay, we can measure the area of changes. Just for that, you select the, here this is area measuring. So just I will zoom out. Okay, you select this one and okay, once you come to the same point, this starting point, you double click on that. That area is selected. I think it is in square meters, so we will change the unit area from meters to hectares. The total forest loss by the forest fire 6,141.76 hectares. I think you can see that. If you want change in this area unit, you also select kilometer. Okay, is kilometer. You see the 61.4176 square kilometers. In that way, we can understand any loss by the event.